Let's make avocado taco salad and garlic parm elote. And this meal was so delicious, I want to have it at least once a week. You're going to start with an avocado ranch chopped kit. Pour the green stuff into a bowl with a little topping, some corn and cheese. And then you're going to add the avocado ranch dressing. You're going to want to prep this before you start cooking your meat so it can chill in the fridge. Be sure and squeeze out all that delicious dressing. And then you're going to toss your salad. I'm a child. Anyway, so I got this beef taco filling for 50% off. Please don't come for me. It was like $3. Buy a meat mallet if you don't have one. I mixed in the leftovers from the beef taco bowls I made the other night. The recipe's on my page. To roast the corn, cut the hairy ends off. Put it in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. You're going to want to roast it in the husk. It is so easy and it makes your house smell delicious. And then you're going to have your best friend peel all of those corn husks so you can take a video of it. I'm just kidding. This is my best friend and sous chef Bobby. Shout out to her for helping me make all of these videos. To make your bowls, add the salad to the bottom of the bowl, and then you're going to top the salad with that taco mixture. This recipe made enough for 4 people. To make the elote, you're going to use whatever mayonnaise you have. Spread it on the corn. I'm going to use the truffle black garlic seasoning stuff. My Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. It was so good. If y'all don't have it, I definitely recommend it. To finish the elote, squeeze some fresh lime juice over the top, and I added a scoop of guacamole to the side. Thanks for watching. Please follow for more.